I love to help the customers and make a quick response and help the customer in a quick way. And that's what the customer appreciate. And they love our products as well.
Yeah. I'm here at 39 with Gabi. Gabi, what is it you do for 39?
I'm responsible for the inside sales and the support.
Okay, for how long now?
I stay at 39 now 7 years.
Okay, so what has you work for a company like this? 7 years is a long time at one company.
Yes, but it's normal, I think, in Germany, because if you like your job, you do it a long time. And I love my job, really. I love to help the customers and make a quick response and help the customer in a quick way. And that's what the customer appreciate. And they love our products as well.
Yeah.
They can breathe well, and everything is fine with the customers.
Yeah. When customers call in, what's the most common thing you talk to them about then?
We talked about the new products sometimes. We talk about our things, what the best on our products, on our 39 oil mist separators, and yes, what they need. What they need for maybe to change some things after a long time. Yes, because our maintenance is very low.
So Gabi, what's the commitment that 39 has to their customers?
39 are the smartest oil mist separators and they have to change.